Ever wondered how to precisely monitor your Twilio voice call expenses right down to the minute, automatically? Today, we're diving into how to programmatically retrieve your detailed voice minute consumption directly from Twilio's powerful REST API, giving you unparalleled insight into your usage. Before we start, ensure you have your Twilio account SID and auth token readily available. These are your keys to accessing your account's data. The first step involves securely authenticating your requests to Twilio. You'll use your account SID and auth token to prove you have permission to query your usage records. Next, you'll target Twilio's specific usage records API endpoint. This particular section of the API is designed to provide detailed information about your account's consumption across various services. To retrieve only voice call minutes, you'll specify parameters like the category as voice and define your desired start and end date ranges to narrow down the data you receive. With your query defined, you'll send an authenticated request to the Twilio API. This action sends your request to Twilio's servers, which then process it and prepare your data. Upon receiving the response, which typically comes in a structured format, you'll need to parse this data to extract the relevant usage records, focusing on the minute consumption for each voice call. Finally, aggregate these individual minute records to get a total for your specified period. This allows you to generate comprehensive reports, monitor trends, and precisely manage your Twilio spending. By programmatically tracking your Twilio voice minutes, you gain full control and visibility, optimizing your operations and ensuring cost effectiveness.